Hi, Namaste and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about how to be an excellent receiver of the universe's abundance and magic. So the first and foremost thing to remember is to be an excellent receiver. You want to open yourself up to receiving. What I mean by that is that every single time somebody gives you something, gives you money, gives you a compliment, says thank you to you, gives you a gift. Every single time somebody or something, the universe presents you something positive, you say thank you open-heartedly, meaning you 100% receive what it is that you've been given by saying thank you. Not thank you wishing you the same, no. Simply fully open yourself up to receiving what it is that has been given to you. So one of the greatest ways of receiving more abundance is by truly being appreciative of what you've been given. Every single time someone offers you a compliment, you say thank you. Every single time. What's the word? Thank you. So every single time someone says something to you, something positive to you, you say thank you. Someone gives you money, you say thank you. Someone gives you a gift, you say thank you. Someone compliments you, bringing it back to compliments, you say thank you. Alright? Just accept what has been given to you and say thank you. It's basically building a relationship with the universe. You look at it like this. For you to receive something, there has to be a give and take, and we'll discuss that. If you have a relationship with somebody, your parents, your friends, your partner, and you give something to that person, or you keep giving stuff to that person, when that person is truly appreciative of what you're giving him or her, you feel like giving more stuff to them because they're truly appreciative. They fully appreciate and thank you for what you're giving them. Opposed to somebody who you give stuff to and they don't even acknowledge it, or they don't even thank you for it, you don't feel like giving stuff to them. It's the same way. The universe functions the same way. When the universe gives you something through people, places, events, you say thank you, and that's how you build a relationship with the universe. That's point number one. Okay, to be an excellent receiver, you must be open to receiving 100%. Say thank you every single time someone compliments you, gives you something, you get money, you get a gift, you get a flower, you say thank you. Open-heartedly say thank you. Don't say thank you wishing you the same. No. Say thank you. This brings me to my second point. Second point is very simple. We exist in the universe, and one of the laws of the universe is, I'm sorry for the noise, one of the laws of the universe is the law of exchange, which means if there is a receiver, there is a giver, and we have to play both parts. That doesn't mean to receive, you're giving just to receive. When you give to other people, you give open-heartedly with the intention of giving, not with the intention of receiving, not with the intention of becoming best friends with somebody, not with the intention of being liked or accepted, but simply with the intention of giving. When you compliment someone, you compliment them with the intention of complimenting them. So the universe functions in exchange. So you must give happiness to receive happiness. You must give money to receive money. You must give peace to receive peace. You must help other people to receive help. You must support other people to receive support. Money is such a big something that everyone's running behind. Money is not just about taking, it's a lot about giving. Money is a resource. It's not evil, it's not bad, it's not good, it just is a resource, right? So we must give wholeheartedly with the intention of giving, and we must receive wholeheartedly with the intention of receiving. So the biggest learning that I invite you guys to take from this video is every single time the universe presents you with something, especially a compliment. This is big for a lot of us, right? Especially a compliment, open-heartedly receive it and say thank you. That's it. That is how we open ourselves up to the abundance of the universe. So that is it, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you again soon this week itself, because I've got a lot of really cool stuff planned out for you guys. And I love you. If my messages resonate with you, please do subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you again soon. I love you guys, and namaste.